Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and mustard oil mask for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. There is no scientific evidence to prove that mustard oil aids hair growth. However, mustard oil is highly rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals like selenium, zinc, iron, calcium, magnesium and beta-carotene. These nutrients aid hair health. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Method: add these 3 oils in a bottle and shake well. Massage is mixed onto your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Wrap your hair in a steam towel and let it stay for 30 to 45 minutes. Shampoo your hair well using lukewarm water. Repeat this process once a week to improve the condition of your hair and scalp. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.